I'm going to show you how to disconnect the DPS board out of your Sony XBR-55X930D without damaging either the connectors or the ribbons. So let's start over here. You have a little clip that you have to press down on this side, which will release the locking mechanism on this corner here. And you should be able to just pull it out. We have a simple latch mechanism here, so I'm going to lift it up and that will just sneak right out. Over here, you also want to put pressure right on this tab here as you're wiggling out the wires. And these are the trickier ones. So you have a cream color little tab here that you want to press down on in the center. And what that'll do is it will unlock a locking mechanism on the edges. So pressing down and gently removing the ribbon. It's very important, otherwise these little teeth on the corner of the ribbon will get damaged and can stay stuck in the connector itself. Same over here, except this one has these little buttons, I guess, on the sides here. You'll have to press down on both of them at the same time, and then you can wiggle out that ribbon. Over here we have another latch mechanism, so we'll lift that up, pull that out. And then this ribbon also has those two buttons on the edges, so we'll press those two down at the same time, gently wiggle out the ribbon. And then finally our last connector over here, same as the first one, we'll press down on this side as we're gently wiggling it out. We have 4 screws. And the board lifts right out. Sometimes this thermal pad is a little bit sticky, so you'll have to wiggle the board out a little bit gently and remove it. Now to reinstall it, we'll go ahead and put the screws first, get the wires and ribbons out of the way. And it's going to be a lot easier to put it back together because we don't actually have to engage any of the mechanisms. We're just going to push everything in. This one, of course, the latch, you do have to lift it up if it's down. And then line it up best you can. You do have a line here that you'll want to make sure is flush with the clip. The speakers should just click in. And for these types of ribbons, you don't have to actually engage the mechanism. You should be able to just push it in. Same over here. And you should feel and hear a little bit of a click. And then finally this one will just push in as well. Just like that. If you enjoyed the video, if you found it useful or helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.